How to turn off Reddit email notification. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can stop Reddit email. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you need to launch to your Reddit application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Once you're on this page, click on the profile icon located in the upper right corner. On the other half of your screen, you'll be able to see a menu page. Scroll down a bit and head over to settings. Now this is going to take you to the settings page where under it there are multiple options. So from the list, you need to scroll down, and right at the bottom this page, click on account settings, which is right on top, and this is going to take you to the account settings page. Over here, scroll down a bit and head over to the section of contact settings. Under it, you'll be able to find manage email. Just tap on it, and as you can see, currently you're able to receive email from Reddit because you have enabled all of these. If you unsubscribe your email from all or toggle the switch for that, now you'll no longer receive any email notification. So in this way you can stop Reddit emails, and similarly if you want to receive the emails, then toggle the switch and then turn it off. As soon as all of these switch turns blue, which indicates that now you'll be able to receive emails, and do the same procedure in order to stop the email. So in this way you can turn off Reddit email notification. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.